Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're realizing some selling pressure today. 10-year note futures are coming off a 2.5-week high in the previous session to trade lower today, currently priced at 113.11, which is back to where we were a couple of sessions ago. So really, we've negated 2 days of higher price action here today, after the market did see 4 consecutive days of higher price action leading up to today's selling. And also, I want to point out, we're also experiencing rolling of positions from September into December as we're moving towards September expiration, and volumes are elevated today. And looking at the driving factor today, really I think it's repositioning ahead of the speech tomorrow, the highly anticipated speech coming from Fed Chairman Powell at Jackson Hole tomorrow. A lot of anticipation now as far as the expectations for September, market pricing in a very high probability of 25 basis point cut and an increased probability of a possible 50 basis point cut, and also an anticipation that we might get some clarity on that tomorrow in his speech. So I think this is just repositioning ahead of that as the markets have realized some higher price action here for the better part of a week. And looking at the yields, 10-year yield is up 8.5 basis points today to 386 basis points. So we're seeing some higher yields pretty much across the entire curve. Really from the 2-year all the way up to the 30-year, we're looking at that yield curve moving higher in unison pretty much across the entire curve, where we're seeing basically durations from 2-year all the way to 30 years up about 8 to 9 basis points depending on where it is on the curve. But overall, selling pressure and moving those yields higher headed in to the much anticipated Fed speech by Chairman Powell tomorrow at Jackson Hole.